সাংবাদিক সকলৰ সৈতে আৰু সম্পাদকৰ সৈতে বাৰ্তালাপ কৰিলে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই ৰাজ্যবাসীক নৱবৰ্ষৰ শুভেচ্ছা জনায় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই বিগত 8 মহীয়া কাৰ্যকালত কৰা কামৰ খতিয়ান দাঙি ধৰে লগতে সাংবাদিক আৰু সম্পাদকৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰশ্নৰো উত্তৰ দিলে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীগৰাকীয়ে
অসম পুলিচে সিকিউৰিটি দিয়ে আমি যদি মানুহক সিকিউৰিটি দিয়াৰ কামত আমি খৰচ কৰো যদি আপোনালোকে এটা ব্ৰেকআপ লয় 4টা বেটেলিয়ন only for providing security 4240 people has been deployed only on giving personal security সকলোৰে যদি 1 লাখ টকা দৰমহা বুলি ধৰি লয় 400 crores Assam is investing only on providing personal security, which cannot continue. Jodi breakup side, political leader hatat ase 2,526 protectee. Mane amar deployment ase with political leader 50%, 2,526. Civil officer logot ase 854. Retired chief secretary, principal secretary, commissioner, they have 854. Judicial officer hatat ase 546. Aru businessman, PSU, EO, student leader, teolukor agot ase 167. Aru tea state manager hatat ase 40. আৰু former militant তেওঁলোকৰ আগত আছে 52 so now it will be a complete change people security will be categorized z y like this y hole ki pabo z hole ki pabo আৰু now after the security review SPs will have a power to give PSU only for 10 days DGP and IG, ADG, SB will have the power to give security for the maximum period of 30 days. Beyond that, it has to be approved by Chief Minister. Otherwise, on the basis of a security review committee, it will be. So, a gutekhini ami apnalukor agot kunuba ta dina DGP press conference kori apnalukok kobo. So we are going to reduce it to half now. From at least 4টা battalion we are going to make it at least 2,000 now. And gradually, ami Ahomot peace ahar loge, we want to reduce it that a PSU cannot become a status symbol. So that is the primary idea. Jak lagise tak ami dim. Aru june status hisabe loi ase retired government officer, retired politician. So nobody will be getting. So that changes we are bringing. Aru ei bosorot hetu eta amar kam hobo. Amar 2026 loike amar jitu eta monot issa ase. Hetu hoise je Assam should end up somewhere with 6 lakh crore GDP. So we are following a solid, robust roadmap. Jodi more yearly 10% growth hoy, 2026 we should close with 632 crores of GDP. Jitu eta Ahomor karone landmark hobo. But otherwise also 5,50,000 crore. So we have fixed the target that we will reach to that stage. Janeke aji health now 17-18 or we come to 12 annual growth we become number 2 in COVID management probably we are second to none aru সেই ধৰণে মই ভাবো যে in economy we are going to see a huge turnaround and Assam will be in that league so we are following that thing that we'll have 10% growth every year. Two things that our last hurdle is alpha. If you exclude alpha, then every militant organization has deposited their weapons. I'll not use the word surrender. They have deposited their weapons, and as I have said with my opening remark, the tribal insurgency has come to an end. Alpha, from my personal interaction with various people who are directly or indirectly in touch with Sri Paresh Borua, it is clear that he also wants a negotiated settlement. Government of Assam or Government of India also wants a negotiated settlement. But only stumbling block is the demand for sovereignty. So I think we are working towards creating a new position where both the party actually do not feel it very difficult to talk.